Hey guys, it's Sergio
and Sheila,
and we are the Sergio and Sheila Real Estate Group, your Dallas luxury experts, coming soon to a closing near you.
That's right. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If it's your first time to the channel and you enjoy watching home tours and learning all things real estate, we would like to personally invite you to our YouTube family by subscribing. So please make sure to subscribe down below.
Okay, today, hot summer day in Texas. We are in University Park, Texas, which is part of the Park Cities, which is Highland Park and University Park. This house behind us is a single family attached, aka duplex. But if you want to get into the Highland Park School District, the coveted Highland Park School District, under $2 million, which is very rare to find nowadays, this is it. It's a 2017 build. We'll give you those specs. But anyways, we're only a 5-minute drive to Highland Park Village, where we can walk to the Highland Park Middle School, and only 15 minutes to downtown Dallas. But Sheila, give us more specifications on this property.
Yes, this is a 4-bedroom, 4.1 baths. It's a 2-car garage. It's currently listed at $1,800,000, which is $462 price per square foot. It's sitting on a 0.17 acre lot, small lot, but like you mentioned, it's a single family attached duplex. But yeah, it's built in 2017. It's a great property.
Fantastic, Sheila. Thank you so much for sharing us with that information. And once again, this is actually one of our own listings, so can't wait to show you guys.
Enjoy the music and enjoy the tour.
Again.
Well, there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Down below, we have more information about the property. And if you're interested in viewing the property, please make sure to reach out to us.
Hey, perhaps you're in the market to sell your house for top dollar, or we can help you with selling or buying. If you're interested here in the Dallas area, maybe you're relocating, we can help you with all your buyer or seller needs. All you need to do is schedule a consultation call by clicking on one of the links down below.
Please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps with the channel.
And as always, remember to follow us on Instagram at Sergio and Sheila. Guys, thank you so much for watching.
See you guys next time.